All right, so this is breaking news. IBM CEO Arvind Krishna has told Bloomberg that 7,800 jobs could be replaced by AI in the coming years. Now, some of this is expected to come from not hiring for many open roles that they currently have, but also not replacing those lost through natural employee attrition or turnover. They think that most of the roles affected would be simpler tasks around parts of HR and not so much the customer-facing and software development roles. Although I am personally skeptical of this, if a developer is 10x due to AI, will they hire the same number of developers and just be super productive, or just hire 10 times fewer developers and save a lot of money? Let's see what happens. Coming back to IBM, I have worked multiple times with IBM, and the last time I was there was around 2018. And all I heard around the office was Watson this and Watson that, which is their flagship AI product. Now, it's not clear how they plan to replace these jobs exactly, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was almost entirely fronted by Watson. There have been recent industry reports suggesting huge proportions of jobs in general could be lost to AI. And at the same time, you have folks like Elon Musk alluding to AI being an existential threat to humanity. Although as a software developer myself, my main concern is the existential threat to my career. So let me know in the comments below if you think that this is the first of a wave and how you feel about the longevity of your career right now, and subscribe for more.